First open your VLC player, then click on the Tools and Preferences and show all settings, and then click on Input and Codecs. Find the file caching and increase its size to 800. Then save the settings. After it, go to the preferences again and now we have to go to the input and codecs, and then we have to change this from automatic to disable and then save the settings. Then go to the preferences again, click on the show all settings, find the output module, click on it, then change it to automatic and save the settings. Then go to the preferences again, find the video codec, click on it and find the FFmpeg, and from here change the threads to 2, and that's all. Save your settings and your problem should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, tell me in comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.